Good for 1 year. Look at the packaging, guys. So premium. I'm planning to change. Well, I'm going to create another video of this. Guys, mali yung nasend sa akin product. Well, just like what I said in my previous video, I have lots of packages. So let's unpack this one. So this is the second time that they sent me and I bought products here on TikTok. So half of this are PR package and also half of this is things that I bought on TikTok. So let's start unpacking this one. But first, well, this one is from LBC and this one is not included on TikTok. But let's unbox this first because this one is my skin booster. Well, this one is my skin booster. Well, if you're wondering what is that, well, this one is injectables. I inject it on my face. Well, this one can help you to get a glassy, glowing, healthy skin. Well, I used to post it on TikTok yung mga videos ko, but hindi siya masyado na-engage ni TikTok kasi nga, it has a needle when I'm injecting it on my face. Well, this one is Celestine Exosome, guys. This one is a skin booster, so it's injectables. We're going to inject it to your face, just like what I did here. I'm gonna put it there, and yeah. This one has a 5... Wait, unbox natin siya ha. Here. Oh my God. Ang ganda nito, Gagi. It's like unboxing lang ng ano ha. This one has a inclusion. That one. Then how to use. Manual, guys. And yeah. We're just glad. Here. Oh my God. Good for 1 year. Oh, Mia. Yeah, this one is good for 1 year, guys. It's a Celestine. Damn. Okay, this one, magpapakinis ng mukha ko and give me lots of glow. That's why, yeah, binili ko siya. And yeah, I'm so glad that I can afford this one. Okay, another package. This one is a punching bag, guys, with set of boxing gloves. Well, maglalagay na ako rito ng punching bag sa bahay para nagpa-practice ako. Para syempre, pag hinold up ako, marunong ako lumaban, hindi lang puro ganda. Meron siyang boxing gloves. And here, ito yung mismong punching bag, guys. Isa-set natin siya. I'm gonna put another video. I'm going to create another video of this. Wala na ba? Oh, wala na. Next package. Sabi ko sa inyo, madami akong package eh. Ito naman. What's this? This one naman is... Wait, papakita sa inyo. Here. There. It's a set of... Well, it's a set of cups. Disposable cups. Spoon and fork and also plate. Kasi tinatamad nga ako maghugas. And I don't want dishes when I do eating and drinking. So yeah, I don't usually do I have lots of busy schedule and things to do here in the house and also work. So this thing is more convenient. Kain tapon. Okay, next package. This one. Tamad kasi ako, guys, kaya kapag pupunta kayo sa bahay ko and yeah, well, most of my friends who's visiting my house, they knew that I'm too lazy to do dishes. That's why I have cups. And also, I don't have like baso. That's why I bought this one as well. Well, this one is a mop. Mop siya, guys. Kasi nasira yung mop ko and it's been like 3 months since I haven't changed it kasi basahan lang lagi ginagamit ko. And since etong anak ko nanganak, so, kailangan ko talaga ng map. Puro E sa baba. Nababattery po sa kanya. So, yeah, map siya. So, next. Lalagay ko siya dito. Well, this one... ito, may bukas na. Grabing mga wrapping kinemerot yan. This one is laundry detergent. Laundry detergent lang siya, guys. Well, I told you, most of the essentials here in the house is... I bought it on TikTok. Kasi nga, mas mura doon at the same time, mabilis pa siya dumating. Same lang naman siya if you're going to buy in SM Market. But in there, it's direct supply. Same time, there are lots of discount kaya nakakatipid ako. So next product. So this one naman is, nabasa ko na siya. Well, this one is another PR package, guys. And it's a collagen serum. So gagawa na lang akong bagong video about this. Well, yeah, I don't need yet the collagen, but I'm using it as preventive, same as my skin booster, guys. So if I turn 30, yung collagen ko is sobrang dami. Like, mapapa-what the fuck na lang si Lord. Ganun point. Hala, nasira. Wala na akong ballpen. Look at the packaging, guys. It's so premium. It's premium. Well, I'm going to create another video of this on my TikTok, guys. So, if you wanna watch this, what is this one? So, follow me lang on TikTok. That next package. Well, this one is from TikTok again. Well, it's a, so kung sa babae may pH care, sa lalaki naman ito ginagamit. Okay, so, it's called Jack Cooling Masculine Wash. Okay, next package. This one. Well, this one is from Round Lab. It's a cleanser, guys. So, my cleanser before is Cetaphil, but I'm planning to change all of my skincare product into a Korean skincare kasi nga, we all know that skincare in Korea is top tier, especially when it comes to skincare. Kaya, ayun, pinapalitan ko yung mga yung mga skincare ko into Korea's skincare. So, next product. Guys, mali yung nasend sa akin product. Mixed fruits yung binigay sa akin instead of berries. Dried fruits yung nabigay sa akin instead of berries. Well, we still gonna accept it pa naman. So, yeah. Wala na nandito na. That is too hassle kapag pinapalit ko pa yan. So, we just need to accept it. So, mamaya, kasi hinahalo ko siya sa waffle ko, yung mga mixed berries. Since wala na, wrong send yung sa akin, bali, magpo-protein, na lang ako, shake, instead of powder. Next package na. Oh, this one. I love this one. This one is ice creator, and this one is panglagay siya ng naming cream ko to parang pamahid siya sa mukha. And yeah, libre siya. Nabili ko siya ng 130 something. Ang concern ko lang naman kung bakit ko siya pinalitan, it's because yung rubber niya is lumuluwag kasi that thing is been like 3 years or 4 years na ata sa akin. Nabili ko pa siya sa Shein. But this one is more bigger and better. I bought it on TikTok. Next package. Oh, this one naman, guys, is essential sa bahay. So, since nung nakita ko siya sa TikTok video nung nag-viral 2 years ago, binili ko na siya lagi. And this one can last to my bathroom 4 to 5 months. Depends. Here, it's a cleaner. It's a bathroom cleaner, guys. This one is mabango. Well, I bought the new scent, guys. Before, binibili ko kasi yung yung normal scent lang, yung walang scent na ganto. But this one is bago. Kaya, bumili ako. Masakit kasi sa ilong if you're going to use as a cleaner the Zonrox, guys, especially the white one, and also if colored. It's different when you're cleaning it. Yung amoy ng singaw niya. So you need an exhaust fan for that kasi nga masakit sa ilong. Especially I have dogs. I'm saying a lot, dude. Well, ayun nga, in short. Ayun lang, binili ko to kasi mas mabango siya and also safe. I'm saying a lot. Told you guys. And last package na tayo. And this last package is a tissue. Well, my tissue is, if you're going to know me, I am well invested when it comes to what am I putting on my face. So, I bought this tissue because this one is good, especially hindi siya what is that called? When you have a lots of sweat, especially where you at the gym, hindi siya nagkakalas-kalas. Hindi siya nagsha-shattered and also hindi siya nagkakalat sa mukha mo kapag nagpupunas ka sa face mo. Ayun lang. And also, makapal yung tissue niya, in short. In short, makapal yung tissue niya, guys. Kaya, I love using this. Butter ata yung name ng na to. ng tissue na to. And this one is, what's that called? 400 pesos. Good for 2 months or 1 month. It depends how you use this one. But I usually often use this every single day kasi hindi ako nagtatowel. That's why this one can last me a month. And ayun lang naman, makapal to guys. Wait lang, papakita sa inyo ha. Yeah, I'm gonna put it the picture of there na lang there. And yeah, this one is nice. Promise to you guys. Well, ayun lang naman. This one, I'm gonna create another video for this kasi lalagyan natin siya ng laman. I thought meron siyang laman, but it's lang pala, cover lang pala, and also this gloves. And yeah, well, if you're interested on the product that you saw my video, you can view it on my TikTok account. It's on my showcase basket, guys. And well, wait for my another videos, guys, kasi marami akong PR package na na-accept na from other sellers. So yeah, thanks for watching for this video, guys. And if you like this video, subscribe. So I'll see you in my next video kasi ang dami kong ring kalat dito sa bahay. At the same time, I need to edit some stuffs from TikTok, guys. Bye!